Hey guys, what is up? This is Rai and welcome to another video, and I'm here inside the Unbox Content Creator Studio, which is in the inner part of Upper Box. Upper Box, as you may already know, is the event space on top of Unbox Green Hills. Ito sa Promenade Mall. So, nandito ako kasi basically I work here and I'm here to share with you some items that was sent over to me by one of our pioneer Unbox Green Hills renters. So, ito, nakikita nyo sa mga post ko, usually I wear something like this. This is the WWJD bracelet. So, yung mga, siguro yung mga batang 90s to early 2000s, you've watched NBA, diba? Allen Iverson, T-Mac, hindi ko alam kung sino pa yung mga nagsusuot nito, pero yeah, basically Allen Iverson, of course, Reebok. Siya yung isa sa mga pinakasikat that rocks WWJD. WWJD, of course, stands for What Would Jesus Do? So, medyo spiritual, medyo religious. And, yeah, yun yung item na isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Sent over by Sir Jeff of Baller Socks PH. Siya yung box number 14 yan sa Unbox Green Hills. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang muna kayong invite. Guys, if you're new here, if you're checking this channel for the first time, I hope you consider subscribing. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a video. If, of course, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and to further help this channel out, please like, comment, and share. I'm actually testing as well itong bago kong lens na pang vlog. Tapos, for some reason kasi kanina naka-microphone in ako, kaya lang meron siyang ina-absorb or meron siyang parang naririnig na FM station na frequency na humahalo sa audio ko. So sabi ko, subukan ko na mag-film using the camera mic. So sinusubukan ko siyang etong video na sinusubukan ko mag one take lang. So kung may mga bulol part ako, pasensya na kayo. But yeah, ito na yung mga WWJD bracelet from Sir Jeff. So, yeah, basically, he gave me his entire lineup of WWJD. Ayan siya. So, ayan, for Boss Rai. Thank you, Boss Jeff, for this. So, gusto ko ba isa-isa? Baka hindi na, no? Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga basic. Or at least, makikita nyo yung mga colors niya from the Ziploc. So, meron tayo ditong, ayan, purple, and then parang green, red, black, and blue. Yan yung mga basic niya na na colors. Tapos meron tayo rito this one. Alright, so hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito sa ganitong color. Para siyang dark teal. Hindi ko alam kung may ganun. Orange, of course, the colors of Unbox. Yung gamit ko ngayon. Meron tayong parang neon green. Meron parang this is lavender. Supposedly lavender. Kasi ito parang light green to, I don't know, parang pale version of teal. Tapos ito maroon. Tama ba? This is maroon. And then, here's another one. So meron din tayo, parang pareho yung isa. No, it's not the same. So ito more bluish than the other one. Ito kasi, yung kanina, medyo may pagka-green right there. So ito, medyo blue. And then, this one is parang light pink. Tama ba? Light pink kasi ito yung pinaka-pink niya. Ito yung hot pink. Tapos, there's another one na parang same nung isa na apple green. Hindi, parang sila, slightly different hue. So, this one is a little lighter than this one. And then, white. Of course, mayroon tayong white dito. And yung ating rainbow color. Hindi naman siya specifically rainbow order yung color, no? So meron tayong yellow, orange, red, green, and blue. Alright, and then the last one is this. So ito puro camouflage except for this one. Ito yung dalawang to pala. Ito parang stripes na red, white, and blue. Sakto to sa sa bubuksan naming barbershop nila Boss Carlo. Itong abangan ninyo yun. Within July, we will be opening a barbershop. Makakapagpagupit na wag na pala. And then another one na parang rainbow theme din. Tayo mag-focus. Ayan, rainbow theme din siya, pero iba naman yung pagkaka-divide. And then 4 camouflage na iba-ibang color. So meron tayong majority dito na green, na lighter shade. Meron tayo nung traditional camouflage with the green, the light brown, and the dark brown. Meron tayo dito light brown to and white. Ayan, light brown and white na WWJD, and itong brown. Ayan. So, a couple of different shades of brown. So, Boss Jeff, maraming salamat for sending this over. If you guys are interested to get any of this, like I said, nasa ano siya, box number 14 dyan sa Unbox Green Hills. Meron din silang Facebook page tsaka Instagram, though I'm not sure if they can accommodate online order dun sa e-commerce nila. I mean, sa Facebook page and Instagram nila. Pero, Unbox Green Hills can actually accommodate online orders. Actually, kaninang afternoon, earlier, nakita nyo naman medyo dumidilim na, diba? Kanina, meron akong nabenta sa page na dalawang WWJD. So, nag-PM siya if may available pa. Di pinakita ko na yung mga available, then yun. Nagbayad siya via GCash, and I believe he will be picking it up personally tomorrow, Saturday. So, speaking of Saturday, baka ma-put out ko to Saturday morning. Meron tayong swap meet sa Upper Box. This is the first event na gagawin namin sa Upper Box. So, kung nasa area kayo, drop by. Meron tayong NBA 2K tournament na gagawin. And of course, if you guys are interested in starting an NBA card hobby or addiction, depende sa inyo, drop by tomorrow sa ating swap meet. And yun, plug ko na rin again, if meron kayong mga upcoming events na wala pang venue, you might want to consider Upper Box. Ito yung nasa second floor ng nasa second floor ng Unbox Green Hills, dito sa Promenade. So, you can DM me, or actually meron ng Facebook page yung Upper Box, so nasa description box din yung link na yun. And yeah, that's about it for the video. Maraming salamat. Like I said, no, this is a first time kong gawin na walang cut. Try ko walang cut. Tama naman. Hindi naman ako nagmura or something, so okay lang di cut. So, okay ba yung quality ng video? Kasi I'm using right now my, sabi ko nga, new vlogging lens of sorts, pero actually hindi ko siya pwedeng gamitin pang vlog kasi medyo mabigat siya. But this is the Sigma 18 to 35. Medyo social, no? Iba na yung lente natin. Pero yeah, please do comment down kung anong masasabi nyo, kung maingay ba siya sa pag-focus tuwing magpapalit ako ng like that. Meron ako i-focus sa iba, maingay ba yung lente? Comment down, kasi ako malalaman ko yan kapag in-edit ko na siya. Wala akong magagawa kasi nga internal mic lang ako, so hindi ko ma-edit out yung mga sound na yun. Pero mas raw, mas okay. Magagabi na, uuwi na ako. Maraming salamat for checking this video out. Again guys, subscribe with notifications turned on. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and follow all the socials na makikita nyo sa description box. Nandiyan yung Upper Box, nandiyan yung Unbox Green Hills. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayong lahat. I'll see you on the next one.